guys, I'm Dr. Yazdan. If you follow me on my social media platforms, then you will know that I'm always teaching you guys how to take care of yourself and your own teeth, but this video is to remind you to not forget about your fur babies. This is Napoleon. He's my little bundle of joy, and I'm going to teach you why it's important to take care of their teeth and how to take care of their teeth. Here's the thing, dogs need dental care too. The truth is that they need it just as much as they need everything else. For example, their groomings, their better nutrition, good amount of exercise. So make sure that you don't overlook this step. Catching teeth problems early will help avoid severe dental disease, and the simplest way to keep track of your dog's teeth is to look at them on a regular basis and be aware of the signs that may indicate a problem. It's going to be really important for you to recognize the signs and let your vet know if you see any of the following things. So if your dog has bleeding gums, really inflamed gums that are puffy, what else, Napoleon? Bad breath, any loose teeth or missing teeth, any kind of plaque buildup or tartar that you see on their teeth, please contact your vet so that they can help you get it removed. So now my favorite part of this video is going to be how to show you guys how to clean your dog's teeth. You got to start when they're young, but if you don't, you could still incorporate these little tricks into their routine dental care with you, and hopefully it'll help. So I have a little doggy toothbrush and some doggy toothpaste, and I'm going to lay a towel down here and grab Napoleon, and then we'll get to brushing his teeth. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is lay your dog on his side, and then what you should do is lift their lip, and at first you want to get them used to you just being in their mouth. So if you can play with their teeth, it's going to help them get comfortable. Eventually you'll be able to graduate to a toothbrush and some toothpaste. So I always add the toothpaste onto the toothbrush, and I let him kind of smell it before so he knows. And then I'll just gently lift his lip. And just for ease of the video, I'm gonna do towards the front. I always get the back teeth too, but we're just gonna do towards the front. And then you're just gonna go ahead and brush very gently and let them take as many breaks as they need to. It's important to understand that the bacteria not only causes disease in the mouth, but it can also affect other parts of the body, like the kidneys and the heart. The most important thing to do is to address any dental disease as soon as it's detected, no matter how minor. But better yet, work hard at preventing it. Toothbrushing is kind of the gold standard of care, and now that we have finished that side, we're gonna move on to this side. And again, I like to make sure that the toothbrush is really, really wet. I add just a tiny bit of toothpaste. I'm gonna let him smell it again on this side, lift his lip, and then start brushing. Very good. We can move on to the back a little bit. So there you have it. That's how I want you to care for your dog's teeth. Make sure that you take your dog regularly to the vet and have the teeth checked out as you have the whole body checked out. And also make sure you make an effort at home to take care of your dog's teeth. If you have any questions for me or Napoleon, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to make another video about it. Until then, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and head on over to Instagram if you want to see more of me or Napoleon. My name there is @Dr. Yazdan.